Signal Hounds, talking RF, and today we're talking how to control Signal Hound devices using wrappers for interfacing with the C++ API. This is Signal Hounds, talking RF. Sean here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to control our devices with our API using Python. Our API is written in C++. For customers looking to use another language like Python, we do provide wrappers for interfacing with the C++ API. I will demonstrate some key steps when using Python wrappers. For this demonstration, I'll be using a SM200C, a laptop, and Visual Studio 2022 Community. Here are the Python functions. These exist in the SM API file. To wrap all our DLL to see in the smapi.py, we're going to import this specific DLL. We're defining these constants, which existed originally in the smapi.dll. If you're using these in C++, you would already have access, but we're defining them for Python. So they're accessible to the user, and you can see all our C++ functions that are wrapped for Python use. Let's look at this specific example. sm_open_networked_device. This will be hard to read in Notepad++. And since we are already using Video Studio, let's use Video Studio Code to view it. Now open the SM network device like this, and wrap it with the parameters that correspond to the parameters of the C++ function in a different naming convention, snake-case for Python, while C++ is in camel-case. And just like that, we've done our Python wrappers for the SM libraries. There are some that you might be missing, so you can use the sm_api.py as an example of how you would add those if they were missing from your application. Today we learned how to control Signal Hound spectrum analyzers using Python. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@signalhound.com or leave your questions in the comments section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.